Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw a beach. First, I'm drawing a big rectangle. Let's draw a boy. Trying to draw and paint with me. His arms. I'm drawing life buoy. The boy is ready to go swimming. Let's draw a palm tree. I'm drawing fruits. I'm drawing leaves. Awesome! I'm drawing beach ball. Do you want to play with ball? And here is a beach umbrella. I'm going to paint with rainbow colors. Let's draw the ocean. Here is a sun. Great job! Now I use this marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's paint. Brown. Cream. Beach is one of the best places for holiday. Red. The boy is swimming on the beach. Orange. Green. It's going to be so colorful after the painting. Brown. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Purple. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Purple. Orange. Blue. Do you want to swim on the beach? I like swimming so much. Yellow. Light blue. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. It looks so amazing. See you on the next video.